In this video, I will give you a short introduction to what you can expect from a short trip to Dubai, and I will take you on a virtual tour around the city. So take something tasty and enjoy the video. I got to Dubai on my way from Asia to Europe, and if you want to visit Dubai too, here is the first tip for you. First of all, check the prices from Europe to Abu Dhabi, because usually for these tickets you will find better prices. And between Abu Dhabi and Dubai, you can take a comfortable bus that will take only 2 hours. With this approach, you can even get a chance to visit one more city during your journey. And if you want to learn more about Abu Dhabi, follow the link in the description. And if you will arrive on a plane to Dubai, there is a chance that you will get free SIM card with internet for 1 day. Not sure if they give those SIM cards every day or not, but I managed to get one. In Dubai, you can use public transport or taxis to get from the airport to the city. But late in the evening, most probably you will need to take a taxi due to the schedule of the public transport. And while there are many videos on the internet that tell you about luxury cars in Dubai and that you should use only cars to transport yourself in the city, I would say that you can actually use the public transport, but beforehand you must buy a special card to pay for your ride. And many people who work and live here are actually using this option. Some bus stops even have air conditioning. Another popular myth is that you cannot walk in Dubai. Yes, in some places you will need to walk for some time to find the crosswalk, but overall the city is suitable for long walks. And after sunset, walking is very comfortable. Especially I enjoyed walks along the water canal. Here you can not only walk but ride a bicycle or scooter. In some places you can even find such beautiful locals. And if you will decide to do the same, do not miss the bridge that works as a gateway to this canal. It works as a waterfall, but when a boat comes in, those waterfalls stop to let the boat in or out. For me, it was pretty unusual performance, so I would recommend to spend some time here too. If you are local or spent a lot of time in Dubai, please share your recommendations in comments below about which places to visit or avoid. Besides cats, man-made waterfalls and relaxing walks, there is another reason why you may want to walk along the water canal. And it is the public beach. I didn't find any videos on the internet that would recommend you to go to the beach in Dubai, but I would recommend you to go there. On public beach you can find great infrastructure and clean water. Also, here you can see how all the plants are actually growing in Dubai. You can visit this public beach even at night. For example, you can come here for a boat tour and try to find some local fish. Or you can do some sport, for example, practice football. Or you can swim. Lifeguards were working here even at night during my visit. So, another advice for you is to take your swimsuit on your trip to Dubai. During my walks, I also discovered that many locals live here in small houses outside of the city center. And if you remember how all the plants are grown here, I think someone is spending a lot of money to have such flowers. thanks to my desire to walk in a new city, I also discovered these beautiful locals. Or here you can see another beauty. So, if you have opportunity, always try to walk into different directions in a new city. You will have a great opportunity to find something interesting. Due to the heat and good safety situation, I would recommend to walk at night in the city center. All those tall buildings and their lights give this city some special modern vibe. It's definitely worth walking here after sunset. And if you will go far enough from the city center, you can manage to get a great photos of the city center. And while most of the locals tend to live in private houses, I would recommend you to go and search for apartment in skyscraper. And while you can manage to find apartment with good design, the main thing here is the view. Here is the view from my window. Also, thanks to apartment with such amazing view, I managed to make a couple of time lapses. I don't think you will be able to make the same time lapses from the small houses, just because of the angle. Also, some buildings offer you special services, for example pool or gym. For example, all these people were swimming with this beautiful view. If you will find a good apartment, you won't even need to go outside to make a good photo. There are many different attractions in Dubai, but the busiest part of the city is near Burj Khalifa. And there you can do a lot of things besides walking on the streets. Let's start from the fountain and Burj Khalifa itself. This huge building is visible from everywhere, and you can use it as a reference point while exploring the city. Under it, you will find a huge fountain. This fountain starts working at sunset. Between shows, you can take a boat ride and ride there, or you can even watch the show from one of these boats. But to be honest, I wouldn't do this because I don't see any sense in it. But some people prefer to pay for the free experience. Also, it was to walk around the fountain itself. Here you will find some decorations or even futuristic bike for your kid. Also, it's worth to visit Dubai Mall. Here you will find huge aquarium. That's the view from the mall, but the actual aquarium is huge. Or you can go to the real dinosaur. There is even some information about him. And now I would like to summarize. Dubai is a modern and beautiful city. I would recommend to stay in one of the skyscrapers. Do not be afraid to walk in the city and take a swimsuit with you to be able to visit the beach. And while I'm working on another video, I would recommend you to watch this video next. In this video, you will be able to learn about Abu Dhabi.